Hello everybody, how are you doing? Let's continue our modern JavaScript. In this session, let's take a look at methods for prototypes. We can create a new object through this create API. We can get the prototype through get prototype API. We also can change the prototype of that object through set prototype of. We have this object animal. We can create a rabbit object from this animal. We can use this new rabbit object to access the property from the animal. We can get the prototype of the rabbit, which is the animal. We also can change the prototype of the rabbit like this. So look at here. We have this animal. We create the new object, rabbit, and provide some new properties here. Then you can access both. And this line, we can use it to clone the object to a new clone object. For this part of code, this is the empty object. We try to modify the prototype property. It will not work. This is the rule of JavaScript. You cannot modify the proto property for an object. But you can do something like this. Do a little trick. Create the object from a null. The null doesn't have that proto property, so you are able to add on that prototype property and change the value of it. The downside of that, if you create an object from the null, because this object is from the null doesn't have that prototype.toString method, it cannot convert your object to a string automatically. It will give you error if you run a method which needs a string. Let's take a look at this example. We create the object from the null. We add on some properties. You are still able to use object.keys to access all the object properties. Let's take a look at this example. We have the animal. It has one property. We have a rabbit. It has a new property and the prototype from the animal. Then we can use object.keys to access its own keys only. We can use for in to access all the properties, including the base object. We also can check whether that property is its own property or not. We have the animal object has the is property. The rabbit object has jumps property. We can use has own property to check whether this property is its own property or not. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you next time.